On a cold, snowy Monday in Rockwood, Dwayne Strong and his wife Janice clear the snow off of their backyard deck. The Strongs love their home because it's located right on the banks of the Huron River.
I love the summer. The summers out here are the best. Being next to the water.
But on May 26th this year, the Huron River became their worst enemy when, after heavy rains, the river overflowed its banks and quickly turned Dwayne and Janice's home into an island.
I mean, within the hour, we were just down and out. I don't know where all that water came from. To this day, it just was like a tidal wave came in and we were submerged.
Within minutes, floodwaters rose 4.5 feet within the Strong's crawl space and a foot deep inside the garage.
The bill come to $9,591.24.
Days later, Dwayne and Janice learned it would cost more than $9,000 to repair the damage. Thank God, Dwayne thought, we have flood insurance. In fact, Dwayne Strong had been paying Travelers Insurance $885 a year for flood insurance for 20 years. What did they tell you when the adjuster came out?
When he came out, he says, we will cover it, pretty much. We're going to cover it.
That's when the cleanup and repair crews came in, and just as promised, the cleanup costs came to a total of $9,591. The problem is, Travelers Insurance was only willing to pay a total of $4,097. That's when Dwayne called the Call for Action team for help. Right away, we contacted Travelers. We discussed the disparity in the payout, and in the end, Travelers Insurance agreed to give the Strongs almost $3,000 more to cover the total flood damage to their home.
You got close to $3,000. It was $2,980-some. Almost $3,000 that I would have been out of pocket. If it wasn't for Channel 7 and your team, Bill, I don't know where I'd be.
Dwayne and Janice, both really terrific people. Again, remember, they've been paying on that flood insurance for 20 years, so they expected to get a good payout in this one. We want to thank Travelers Insurance Company for working with us, negotiating with us, and coming to that $3,000 figure. That made them whole again, so Janice and Dwayne doing good tonight.
That's huge.
Yeah, it really was.
Yeah, not everybody's just got $3,000 laying around to cover a bill like that. That's awesome.
They were sweating it out all summer, how they're going to pay for it. They fought it for 6 months. We got it done in a couple days.
Well, thank you, Bill.